people, or people who are just checking out the channel. I'm your host, Will Auroch of We Evolve Dance and Fitness, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys a disco hustle dance choreography that I just created. The song is by Jamiroquai and the name is Canned Heat. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to step on the and count to our left hand side, and here we go. And 1. From here we're going to take 3 steps forward. 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to go to the right hand side and 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I do 4 singles and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. From here you're going to see me go like this, which means to go back. I'm going to break now to my left again and 1, 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to go to my right and 1, 4 times, 2, 3, 4, and I will go turn. You're going to turn like this and you're going to go kick on 4, kick and 6. We do a ball change, and I go to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ball change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ball change, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ball change. From here, you're going to hear me say knee up. We go 1 with the hands, 2 with the hands, 3 with the hands, 4 with the hands, and then we go down. 1 and 2, change sides, 3 and 4. Then we go up, 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 then to the left twice, to the right twice. And we go from here again. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Let's go. And back, 2, 3, 4. Out right, 2, 3, 4. And 4, 3, 2, 1, and you'll see me do this again. This time, instead of kicking, we are going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last one. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Knees up, knees up, knees up, knees up, and down to the side twice. Other side twice. Knees up. Boom. Hands up. Boom. Boom. And down twice. Down twice. Then I'm going to point here. You're going to kick with your left leg. We go 1, 2, kick, ball, change. 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 Then from here, from the top again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1 backwards, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1, and go. 1, 2, 3. From here we go. 1, 2, ball change. There's a little pause there. 1, 2, ball change. 1, 2, ball change. Last one. 1, 2, boom. Ball change. So then we go knees up, knees up, knees up, knees up, and side twice, side twice. Knees up, knees up, knees up, knees up. Side twice, side twice. Then we go kick, kick, 2, 1, 2, 3, kick, kick, 1, 2, 3. From here I turn to the side and I go A, D, J, close. Simple, simple, double, double, simple, simple, double, double. The count for this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, double, and single, single, double, double. From here, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next we do the messy care disco move. That's right. Okay? Then we go back here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And from here we go. Up again with the knees. Arms well. And to the side. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Then we go up, 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 up to the side. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And we do one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And back, and 2, and 3. So right there, we will finish. Now, one of the things I want to show you guys, with the kick, when we turn, we do 1, 2, 3. Kick, kick, that's on 4, okay? These kicks are kind of like a lizard's tongue or a snake's tongue, right? It's really fast. So, I'll change, okay? All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this choreography, and if you did, go ahead and smash that like button. Let me know that it helped you guys out in learning this choreography, and on top of that, if you guys want to subscribe, go right ahead, and if you do, hit that little bell button. That's the notification bell that lets you know when all my new videos and content are coming your way. We have other videos, so if you see them on this side of the screen here, go ahead and check those out. There are other choreographies that I did. So thank you very much for coming by, and stay tuned for more awesome disco, hustle, salsa, bachata, all types of choreography coming your way.